In this tutorial, we will see that how you can download Fortnite on Android in just few steps. So let's dive right in. So to download Fortnite on Android, you will be on this homepage. You have to open any browser. I will open this Google and then simply search for Fortnite.com. Search it and it will show you this official dashboard of Fortnite. To download it, click on this Play Now button. Then it will show you this Play Fortnite Today and then Download on Android. If you click on this download, it will take some time and show you this. Choose where to download Fortnite.apk. Click download. Then it will start downloading here, the official Fortnite APK. After downloading, you can simply open it. If it will show this phone is not allowed to install unknown apps from the source. You can open up this settings and on this toggle. Click back and then simply install it again. After installing this, you can simply open it. It will open up this Epic Games. Here you will find this Fortnite option. If you open this Fortnite, you can simply play it. But in my case, this device is not supported because this is heavy game, and to play this game, the specifications of the mobile should be 4GB RAM, 64-bit and good graphics system. So this was the process to download Fortnite on Android in just few steps.